Hi friends, na videos marikontamandiకి reach avvadaniki please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we have to learn some F letter words, cursive F letter words. ఈ రోజు ఈ వీడియోలో cursive F letter words ని ఎలా రాయాలో చూపిస్తున్నాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. First one is fabricate. Look carefully. Fabricate. Second one is factory. Factory. Third one is function. Function. Fourth one is fantastic. Fantastic. Fifth one is forget. Sixth one is filter. Seventh one is freeze. Eighth one is frequency. Ninth one is feeling. Tenth one is favorite. Favorite. 12th one is fundamental. Fundamental. Next one is fight. Next one is flood. Flood. Next one is forceful. Forceful. Next one is fleece. Next one is flatter. These are the F letter words. Yeah, once again I repeat. First one is fabricate. Second one is factory. Third one is function. Fourth one is fantastic. Fifth one is forget. Sixth one is filter. Seventh one is freeze. Eighth one is frequency. Ninth one is feeling. 10th one is favorite. 11th one is fundamental. 12th one is fight. 13th one is flood. 14th one is forceful. 15th one is please. 16th one is flutter. These are the 16 F letter words. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.